It is another beautiful day. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to Gikzy's garden. As you can see, I'm getting out this morning to harvest some vegetables. I'll take you in the garden and take you through the garden to show you how the garden is looking like in June. Uh, um, we have harvested a lot of vegetables out of this garden, and we've enjoyed harvesting these vegetables. Now is the time that we enjoy the fruit of our labor, the time that we harvest vegetables to take in the house to prepare meals for the family. So I'm going to welcome you in the garden this morning. I'm just going to harvest few tomatoes and cucumbers for breakfast, and I'll show you guys what we're going to have for breakfast. And like I said, and I'm also going to take you through the garden to show you how the garden is looking like right now. So welcome, come on, come with me. Let's go in the garden so you can see what's going on. What's up? I have Armenian cucumber here. Before I show you the harvest I'm about to do, let me show you the garden, guys. As you can see, there's a lot of growth. Look at that tall sunflower, pretty, pretty. I've started flowering now, and all of the flowers are blooming. The marigolds, the dahlias, all of the plants are looking good. Some of them are ready to come out. I need to harvest my seeds over there from the I need to go and cut them and start harvesting them before they all fall on the ground. And my dill plant here too is all ready to be cut. The seeds are dry. I just need to leave it there for a little bit and then come pull it out. Don't mind about what you're seeing here. This is I'm sorry. This is from my son's room. We're finally doing his makeover that we've been talking about a long time in the channel. We finally started his makeover. I've already pulled the carpet. That's what you're seeing here. This carpet is going in the trash. I just put it here because I took out the carpet yesterday, but we'll share with you guys later. But as you can see, all of the flowers are blooming. I'm really excited about my echinacea flowers. I'm going to be cutting some of those to dry for my tea. But look at that. That's my Armenian cucumber that you see. I have three cucumbers that were coming out, but the creatures ate them. This is a pickled cucumber. Let's see. Oh, looking good, looking good. Another one here. Oops. Ooh, this is overripe. Some of them I put in a bag. Look at that. Guys, this is amazing. This is called the Snow White tomato. This is my Snow White tomato. It's looking amazing. Let me try this one. This is so sweet. If you haven't tried this tomato, you should. I don't know if you can find it at the store, but trust me, store-bought tomato and homegrown, they're totally different. Guys, the flavor, the sweetness, it is so sweet. It's like I'm eating grapes, y'all. That's what it feels like. It feels like I'm eating a sweet grape. This is so sweet. Just a little bit acidic, but I love it. I love it. The sweetness just, it just busts in your mouth with flavor, guys. I have more. I do have more here. Let's see. Yes. They're all over, guys. They are all over. We're gonna use some of this for breakfast, and whatever we don't use, I'm gonna put in a bag and freeze. Now, this is what the garden is looking like. Look at this. I can't. This is just one zucchini plant. I cannot believe, and it's just trailing. I think next year what I'm gonna do when I'm gonna plant it, I'm gonna tie it on top here. I'm not sure if I can still do that. I will see after I harvest this one. I'll still try and see if I can trail it up here, because it is gonna take all of this. There's not even much space for me to pass, but there's some peppers here I can harvest, and I have some tomatoes in there that I can harvest too. So let's go ahead and finish up with this harvest. But this is what the garden is looking like, guys. Everything is looking amazing. My eggplants. If you're following me on Facebook, you guys have seen a video I've posted how they came in here and ate one of my eggplants. What happened was I came the day before and I was contemplating whether to harvest the eggplant or just let it go bigger, because this is the Black Beauty eggplant and it can grow big. But when I came the next day and I see they touch one of it, so I have to harvest the other one. We still have the eggplant. I have to cook that eggplant. Maybe I'll add it to our lunch today so that we can enjoy all the beauty in the garden for breakfast and lunch. Like I said, I'm harvesting some of these vegetables. Some of it I'm going to use for breakfast. I know we're going to have a lot, so I'm not going to be using all of it for breakfast. So let's go ahead and harvest this. Man, I cannot complain with this tomatoes this year. We're in June most of the time. By end of June, the tomatoes don't do well at all, but these are doing amazing. And I'm coming in here almost every day to harvest tomatoes. With this, so I can get to this one. I'm gonna be picking some of this spinach for eggs for breakfast today, so I'll be picking up some of this spinach. But let's harvest some peppers. This is habanero and this is Fresno chili. It's not right yet, but I just cut it out just to give the plant energy to grow, because it's focusing all its energy to get these two peppers to ripen. So I just cut it out so I can give it energy to grow, and so it can grow bigger. You can see the plant is not big, but it was focusing all its energy to make sure these two are ripe. So I just pull it out. I'm almost ready with everything I need for this breakfast. I can say I'm ready, but Like I said, we're just gonna harvest everything that's ready. Um, we harvest it. This is San Manzano tomato. This I think I'm done in here for today. This is what we got. We still have some more tomatoes out there. Let's go get some. Take a look at this cluster tomatoes. Look at this. This is amazing. Well, another bountiful and beautiful harvest again. We have a basket full of produce this morning, and then bouquet, this beautiful bouquet that you're looking at. I'm so grateful for today's harvest today, and I'm glad you guys come along with me this morning to make this amazing harvest. Like I said, this amazing produce harvest and beautiful flowers that you're looking at. I'm glad you guys stopped by this week with me to enjoy this garden harvest videos. So I'm gonna take this inside so we can have our breakfast. I will share with you all what we have for breakfast. by utilizing this produce to make a delicious breakfast today. So I'm going to share with you all guys later. Let's take this in the kitchen. But don't forget to subscribe here. Hit the subscribe button. YouTube is telling me that 90% of you guys watching my videos are not subscribed. Please help me subscribe to my channel. It's free, y'all. It's free. Just hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell so when I post a new video, you'll be notified. Subscription is free. I'm not charging for anything. I just want you guys, when you enjoy this video, just help me out and share my videos. You never know who you can inspire to start up a garden, a DIY, home renovation, or cooking. Anything that will inspire people to do, that's what I'm doing in Gikzy's home. Hope to see you all on my next video. Till then, stay blessed. This is your girl Gikzy saying bye till next time. Let's practice. What a beauty.
Señor